Hello everyone. In this video I wanted to go and show you all some really cool keyboard shortcuts that you can use on Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's go ahead and start with the copy and paste. So if you want to copy something, I can either select one element or multiple elements. So I can go ahead and click this one. I can hold Control on my keyboard and go ahead and left click, and now I have two elements highlighted. Now if I want to go ahead and copy these, obviously I could go ahead and select the copy option under here under the Home tab, or I could right click and do copy, or I could do Control C. And now it's copied. So now if I want to go ahead and paste it, I just have to do Control V on my keyboard. And now I went ahead and copied and pasted our title and our subtitle. Now, if you want to actually cut and paste, it's the same exact steps. Instead of the Control C, it's Control X and then Control V to paste it. The difference between copy and paste is copy will make a duplicate, whereas cut and paste will remove the original. And once you paste it, that'll be the only instance of that element. If we want to undo what we just did, it's Control Z, so that's undo. If I do Control Z again, now it's gone. Now if I want to redo something I just undid, now I can do Control Y and do Control Y again. Now we're right back to where we were. So that is a really helpful tool as you're working through, because there's going to be countless times where you make mistakes, and rather than having to delete something you just did, you can just undo it by doing Control Z. If we want to go ahead and apply some different text effects here or change our font, what we can do is we can just go ahead and highlight this, or maybe you just want to highlight part of it, or maybe you want to highlight multiple things. I'm going to go ahead and just highlight this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do Control B on my keyboard, and that's going to unbolden this text. Okay, now if I want to unitalicize it, I can do Control I. And if I want to underline it, I can do Control U. And now it's all gone. Now, if you go through these different actions across your ribbon, you'll notice that some of them do have keyboard shortcuts. So you see right here for underline, it's Control U. If we come over here to copy and paste, copy right here is Control C. You can see paste is Control V. Now, if you want to be able to print out your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, you could do Control P on your keyboard, and it should create a it should take you, I've tried to stop it because sometimes it'll freeze on me, but yeah, Control P will take you to the screen where you can go ahead and print out your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. If you want to save, it's Control S, and the save option, the button is right up here in the top left. It's the floppy disk, and you can see it says Control S for saving. If you want to actually create a new slide, you can either select New Slide under here under your Home tab, or you could do Control M on your keyboard, and that'll create a new slide for you. So if I want to go ahead and delete it, just come over here and it's gone. Now, if I want to actually create a new presentation, I could do Control N. And that went ahead and created a whole new presentation for me. So I didn't have to do it by going to File and selecting New. So those are probably the most common keyboard shortcuts that you'll use. There are some other ones on here too that you'll come across. Like you can see left align is Control L. Center align for the paragraph is Control E. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of them, but the main ones that I use are copy and paste, undo, redo, bold, italicize, print, new slide, things like that. So I encourage you to go ahead and just highlight some of these different actions that you like to use, and then just check to see if there's a keyboard shortcut for it.